Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are talking about we are doing analysis on GBUSD and to know the uh bias for the next week and what we should be expecting for next week trades. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into it. Now, this is a monthly time frame, as we all see, is a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, I'm not taking trades on a monthly time frame. I'm not even doing analysis on monthly time frame. I'm just going to monthly time frame based on we are in a new month. So I want to know what happened for the last month, which is October. So that's why I'm monthly time frame. So and you can clearly see that on monthly time frame, we are having what? A bearish engulfing candle for what? For last month. You're having a bearish monthly candle for last month. This simply means this month, probably we are going to be having a what? Another bearish candle for this month. So with that information, I already know that I'm looking for a bearish candle, right? Which is itself, right? So now with that, I'm going to weekly time frame. Now, on weekly time frame, we're having an uptrend, right? You can clearly see it is an uptrend without using any indicator or using any lines. This is clearly uptrend. So then we know we are looking for a what? A bearish candle. Now, so now with this uptrend we're looking at, this is high, this is a low, and this is the last high we are having here. So with this last high we are having here, and before we can count this one as our high, it has to break this high. So this one has already broken. So now we are having another new high. For this market to continue high, going high, we have to have another high from here. So we can know that this market is continuing to be bullish. But for what we are already having on monthly time frame, you know that last month candle closed with bearish engulfing, which means we are looking for a what? A bearish candle for this month as well. So now I'm looking for any sell opportunity now for this month. You know, we should be expecting bearish candle for this month. That doesn't really mean that we won't be having a buy along the month. We'll be having buy along the month, but you should just know that the overall, like at the end of the month, overall trend we should be looking for is a bearish trend. Now, with this on a weekly time frame, so what we are going to do is just to do our analysis and look out for our mark out our zones and our significant zone that we can trade from. Now, with this, I can see a uptrend here. I can see a uptrend here. Let's start from here. High, low, high, low, high as well. So we're having a low here, a low here. So we should be expecting a high, right? So a high. Now, before we can now say this, we should be expecting this high. We have to make a confirmation, which is with our 618. Let me bring up my 618. This is our last low, right? Since this market has not broke the last low, we can't really say we are going for a sell. Adding bit has already broke this low here. Then we can be sure that we are going for a loop. Now, I want you to pay attention to something around here. Look at this 618 here, 618 level here. The market has already broke out of this 618 and it's broke out and closed out of that 618, which is the first touch with this candle here and this second one. Last week candle and this the upper week and the last week candle. These two candles here. And two of them are below that 618, which is for me is giving me another confirmation that we are looking for. The sell is holding. Do you understand me now? So with that, we have know that on weekly time frame. Now let's go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, what do we have here? So we're having that's in our bullish trend. That same bullish trend on weekly time frame, you still have it here. So now let's do something here. I'm seeing a trend line here. Let's make a trend line. This is our trend line here. Marking this trend line here. Yeah. With this trend I mark, some people might mark it from a week. I mark my own from a week. Some people might mark it from body, like something like this. I might say something like this. Excuse me. Body to body, something like from this body to this body. So I do it like this. But I mark it from week, week to week. So now with this now, this daily time frame is giving us a lot of information just for us to pay attention to the information that's giving us. What's that information? Now look at this trend line now. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, and this is the third touch. We're supposed to push the market to the upside and also align with our 6-minute level. Let's check that so we can see from this low mark to this high. So it's aligned with our 6-minute as expected. You see that here, around here, 6-minute as expected. But market violated it, broke it down, back up again. This move here, this move around here is last week, and based on elections and all that of US elections. So that's why this place is like this. So now, nevertheless, we are still going to make money from it. Now, with this, market already broke the trend line here, push up again, and give us a retest. You know what? A majority of people will be seeing this place as a support, and based on kind of reaction around here, might be taking this as a support. But for me, I'm not really taking this as a support. I'm not accepting this as a support. The reason why is because from the higher time frame has already been giving me a what? A sell signal. So I'll be more assured that this place will be taken out. This support here. I should go to a 4 hour. It will show very well. So let's go to 4 hour. So on 4 hour, what do we have on 4 hour? Now, so this is it on 4 hour. This is the support zone I'm talking about on 4 hour. If I should mark it this way, let me do it this way. Like this, right here. Because you have to pay attention to your left. You are doing analysis, pay attention to your left. This is it from here. You can see this market have already reacted here once. Market touch this place, bounce back, and eventually break it out. Then market go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, down, come back down here. You see this place now. Market come back down here, push up again, come back again, come back again. So this place is now serving as a support level for us. So this place is serving as a support level for us. Then on a 4 hour, if you are a swing trader, if you are a swing trader on a 4 hour here, all you have to do is just to wait for this market to break out from this zone. Wait for this market to break out from here, give you a confirmation to enter. Let it break out and retest, or give you any maybe double top, or based on your own entry confirmation. You can enter from here. If you are a swing trader, I'm ready to write it down to around here and come down to the first touch of the trend line here. If you are a swing trader, or so if you are not a swing trader, you should, I don't know, you can't hold trade or to that long, and I'm not even advising you to take a trade from a 4 hour if you are not a swing trader. Do you understand? Now, if you are not a swing trader, what should we do? We go to 1 hour. Now, we go to 1 hour time frame. Now, right now, this trend line is not more valid to me. Let me remove it here. I don't need the trend line again. So I'm now working with this support now. I'm working with this support and what? And this resistance above here. I'm working with these two here. I'm working with this two here. I'm working with this support and this resistance now. So what should I be expecting from this trade? Now, if I should mark this from here down here, I'm having a retracement from 0.7. It's 0.7. So okay, right? 0.7, which is market That's 0.7 push the market down here. Okay, that's fine. Fair enough. Now, I will now do it back from here to here. If I should take it back from here to here. Why? Because this market has reversed from here. So it has turned this one to a high for me. This is a new high. You know, this is a first high here, and this is a new high here. Do you understand? So this is a new high here. So this high now is what I'll be working with. Then market retreats back down to the my 6-1. Now it's starting pushing up. My 6-1. So ideally, this market is rally up to this high here. Eventually even give me up to this high here. Do you understand? It might rally up to this high here, or even right to up to this high here. So which means I'm expecting a little retracement to the upside before coming for a sell. For me, I want to be taking this buy. I won't be taking this buy. I want to be taking this buy. I'm not interested in this buy. I'm not interested in this buy. So if we were to do our trend lines, we have to take our trend line to like this. We mark our trend line here. We mark our trend line here. So I'm expecting this market to come back to this trend line. Give me a sort of reactions here. If you give me what I want here, I might enter myself from here down. And if it doesn't give me a breakout of this trend line, I'll be waiting for the market here. I'll be waiting for this market here at this resistance zone here. So this trend line is also serving as a resistance for me, and this bar here is also serving as a resistance for me. So with that, I will be selling off from here. If I see my confirmation here, I'll be selling off from here. And if I didn't, I'll be waiting for this market to rally up back up here. Give me a confirmation here to sell, which means I'm not interested in the buy. I'm not interested in buying. Now, on this 1 hour time frame now, you might enter every day trader, you can enter from a 1 hour, but for me, I enter from 15 minutes. I look for my entry on 15 minutes. So you look for your entry on 15 minutes. So that will be giving you a minimum, what should I call it? Should I call it a minimum stop loss pips? So your stop loss will be very small. You won't be having that wide stop loss around 10, 20 pips. That's enough for you. So now, I'll be doing this. Let me do this very well now. So with this now, I'm expecting this market to rally back up here. Give me a sort of reactions here. My what is it called? My confluence, my entry confirmations before I go enter here. But I want you to pay attention to something around here. So this place, there is a kind of reactions here. There are sort of reactions around here. Which markets have already tested, broke out, retest again, and bounce back. So market might also come back here, and it's also fall along with what? Along with the third of the trend line. So the third of the trend line might hold this market back down here. So my first point of interest is here. If this one doesn't hold, I'll be waiting for this other one to serve as my point of interest. So generally, I'm looking for a sell. As I said earlier, no, I'm not interested in the buy. I'm interested in what's in the sell from here or here, either of the two. So with this, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell and drop a comment. If you want me to talk about anything, if you have any idea you want to share with me, feel free to drop into the comment section. Peace out.